Hey guys, what's up? This is HelperTuts once again with another exciting tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to make a ringtone for iPhone, and it's going to be for unjailbroken iPhones, so you don't have to have jailbroken iPhones to do this. And to do this, first thing you want to do is make sure your song is 30 seconds or less. So I'm going to do that. Song I'm using is The Final Countdown by Europe, and it's 5 minutes and 13 seconds. So first thing you want to do is make it 30 seconds or less. So right click or check it out which part you want of the song. So let's say I want from 11 to 40 seconds, and I can do that by right clicking get info, check start and stop time, and change that to 10, change that to 0, and that to 40, or how about 39, and keep that 502. And if you want to bring this song back to normal, just save that number that was there before the 5 minute and 32 second mark, and then click OK. And then all you're gonna have is that, and then right click, create AAC version. There we go. As you can see, it's 31 seconds, and so we are going to take that and create a new folder in our library. So I'm gonna create a new folder called AAC version, and then drag and drop that song into the folder. And what you want to have is this end 3-part extension. To do that, you can go to Tools or hit Alt on your keyboard, which brings up this toolbar, and click Tools and Folder Options. You go to View tab and check hide extensions for known file types. Then it's going to be checked, and uncheck it and click apply. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is change the A to R, and then hit OK. And then it's going to ask you to confirm and say yes. So now, as you can see, it's a ringtone. So what we're going to do is drag and drop back to our main area. It's new to do that. The next thing you know, it's in here, and then go to your iPhone and then ringtones, and then click check ringtones, and there you go. You have ringtone for your iPhone, or whatever you want to use it for. Thank you for watching this HelperTuts. Subscribe, rate, and comment if you like the video.